No! Daddy!
Kamisha, no more dairy for now.
You see, I the same thing me I talk to you about. Not because you never in our life means to know when you come in, you feel a spoiler. Or after the on one page, Trevor, I'm gonna tell you again.
Camille, it come like say you restrict me from taking care of my youth, you know. Remember say me have a whole heap for make up for, you know.
That's not my fault. That's your fault, Trevor. And you did me sin.
Oh, it be my fault. Hey, Camille, no bother with the blame game thing, you know. Cause it come like say, remember say it's like say you did a try keep me away from my youth like rest of baby mother them. You carry the child go down and your mother. Down at your mother. And you know say your mother not like me. And you know me nah go there. So who did I keep the pitney away from who?
Trevor, remember say you never fit for be a father them time there. The up and down with the construction business, the smuggling of ganja and all of them something there, your multiple baby mother them. You never just fit for be a father. So if me did take her away and send her down to my mother, then me have to do that.
That's why things always stay so between me and you. It's always a blame game between me and you. You know, you blame who for.
I guess you guys are having a conversation, right?
Kamisha, where are you going?
So yes, at all.
No, young lady, I'll go and get it.
I know, right?
What you know?
Nothing, mommy. Anything at all. Bye.
You see, you met the little girl, you real quarry.
Trevor never mean for that happen. When I think about it, I shouldn't keep her away from you. But I have to do what I have to do to protect her. So I talk back. I don't want to argue no more. I don't want to talk about this no more. What I want to talk about is the fact that Kamisha is getting mature. Mature. I don't know if you hear the type of conversation that Kamisha have, but you need to have the talk now.
When we reach back right here, so.
If you did have the talk, from with you when I tell you to have the talk, we want to reach us or no. If you didn't know, well, I expect you to know. But Kamisha is senior period, meaning it starts.
Camille, it's just that I don't know what to say to her.
What if she come in here one day and tell us that she's pregnant? What you that say?
What you say? Oh, what you really say, Camille? Let me tell you something. The first thing me I go do, I find the boy. Want you?
Right. And that's it. Me know what happen. So you have to have the conversation with her. Don't worry about me no. Me definitely have the conversation. But it have to come from the two way. And if you want me help you, I can help you. But the ground part is you, Trevor. Cause the next thing you're gonna do, I put yourself in a trouble. Me no want that happen.
Alright. I just have to read some book or watch a documentary or something on that.
No, go to YouTube where you always send me to.
Alright. Me figure something out.
Yes, you will figure it out. Just like how you figure out everything else.
I don't mean to disturb your conversation, but mommy, can I have a snack, please?
You're not interrupting. And yes, you can get the snack. It's in the bag.
Thank you.
Babe, I don't really want to mess this up, you know. So right now, best me just do the right thing.
Babe, you're not gonna mess it up. Believe me, it will come natural when you do it.
Alright.
Trevor, what going with Mr. Wallace? What really happened?
I know, you know. Can't tell you that. But the truth is, me you say I have an accident. So, I can't really tell you anything what really happened. So.
That's not an accident. I'm gonna tell you, say the one where they hear, tell the one where come, say, you shot my man in him foot.
Now tell you, say, you have to fast in the different business.
I never that fast.
They know you know that.
Them talk loud.
So, they might have an argument on the compound?
Well, them never so loud. And a good thing say I guess never there. But the same day she tell me say them a go stay a week. More, them leave. That's why I'm suspicious.
So you say, him brother did there too?
Mm-hmm.
John Mustard. Anytime the brother they come around, you know, a trouble, you know.
Trevor, what you mean? Him brother sick, so him bring something come give him.
Trust me, him a politician. You see anything him do, him expect something in return.
Let me tell you something. The way them did a move, a fugitive behavior, and it just not feel right. It's like them in a hiding. You sure you don't know?
I mean, I tell you something, I don't know what go on. Only thing we can do right now is call Carlton and me and him talk.
Babe, if you know anything, put me on my guard so I can protect Kamisha. Because you see all the time I run, if them can catch Quaco, then catch him short.
Come here. Let me tell you this. Young Kamisha are my top priority right now. Right now, we would make nothing happen to her. Alright?
Trust is a long shot. Let me work with it.
Alright. Talking about this and that. Patsy, you sick, you know.
You mean your youth? Now better take yourself out of the equation. What happened to the baby?
But it look like the bug where I go around, the baby catch it. And I have to go get some blood.
It's like that serious.
Very serious. Sometimes, you know, you carry the youth go to hospital and all them things, them find something else. Them carry him for the bug, them find a tumor. So I have to go do operation. So I have to go get 2 bags of blood. You know, me the father, so me the best person to deal with it.